Good morning, student. Vita, our chapter is almost completed. Here we just talk about some important facts that, like you see in your screen, that there is two pictures. First one is Robin Warren, and second one is Barry Marshall. Who are they? So their contribution of means here we describe contribution of Robin Warren and Barry Marshall. These two Australian scientists showed that peptic ulcer, what is peptic ulcer? It is characterized by the acidity related pain and bleeding in the stomach and duodenum. It is caused by the bacteria Helicobacter pylori and not because of lifestyle reason like stress, spicy food and too much acid. This discovery also followed for the breakthrough in understanding a cause link between Helicobacter pylori infection and stomach cancer. In 2005, these are collectively awarded for Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine. So peptic ulcer can be treated by antibiotics and now is no longer as a chronic disease. Contributory causes means these alone cannot produce disease symptom but increase the chances of occurrence of disease due to primary causes, and these are again divided into two categories. Second level cause which decrease the disease resistant power of an individual like lack of good nourishment or poor heredity, and the third level of causes which are responsible for operation of second level causes of disease is poverty and lack of public hygiene services. Okay, so this is about peptic ulcer. Now second one important fact is that in India the last polio case was reported from Howrah district of West Bengal on 13th January 2011, and after that WHO on 24th February 2012 removed India from the list of countries with active endemic wild polio virus transmission. So India has been certified polio free country on 27 March 2014. Now India has target of free from tuberculosis. Its target will be in 2022, but it's not possible. I think it's have to be happening in last 4 or 5 year also. Okay, so this is about important fact. Now here I send you one activity you have to be do by this. Okay, like please note it down. I give you one activity, you have to be done it in your notebook. Okay, your bio notebook. And the activity is find out how many you had cold, cough, fever recently. If you had, means you have to be their activity on effect of antibiotic on disease. Okay, means how antibiotic work on disease. So for this you have to be find out how many you had cold, cough, fever recently. First one is how long were you ill. Second one, how many of you look antibiotic, ask your parent if you had antibiotics. How long were those who took antibiotics ill, how long were those who didn't take antibiotics ill. Is there a difference between these two groups? If yes, then why, and if not, why not. Okay, you have to be done procedure and conclusion on this activity. And next lecture you all have to be submit these activity on WhatsApp, your online class group. I will check there and mark your presence according to that. Okay, you have to do these activity. Okay, thank you.